The Crazy Circuits Invention Board allows you to create interactive projects with advanced capacitive touch inputs, keyboard emulation, and connect to the world of LEGO. Let's set up and test the Invention Board. We'll start with the software. Go to pjrc.com and download the latest software for the Teensy board. Plug the USB cable into your computer, and the other end into the Invention Board. Open the software. Go to Tools, Board, Teensyduino, and choose Teensy LC. Next, go to Tools, USB Type, and choose Serial. Serial will work for most projects, although some may use keyboard or MIDI. Now let's test that everything is working correctly by uploading a basic sketch. Go to File, Examples, Basics, Blink. This sketch simply makes an LED on the board blink. Click the Upload button, which is the right-facing arrow symbol. The sketch will just take a moment to load to the Invention Board. The Invention Board will then run the sketch, which in this case will make the built-in LED blink. Once your Invention Board is programmed, you can unplug it from the computer as you no longer need a data connection. However, you still need to power the board. That can be done with the USB cable to a USB wall adapter, portable power bank, or any other USB source. You could also run 5-volt DC power to the LEGO connections marked 5-volt and ground. The Invention Board allows for advanced capacitive touch inputs. And the large perimeter holes allow for directly mounting to LEGO and making connections with Maker Tape. The Invention Board can also emulate a keyboard for custom computer controls. Now that you know how to set up and run the Invention Board, you can use it to create your own custom projects. Or visit browndoggadgets.com for free project ideas, templates, and tutorials. The Crazy Circuits Invention Board. What crazy things will you invent?
I made a piano.